Nice. Big blue. Oh shit. Dude, these are big old jack, dude.
Let's see.
Yeah, big old blue.
He's 12 inches.
You use that, boy?
Mag attacks. Where's the pliers? I need the pliers. Right behind you. How about behind you? Hurry up. Flash City right below. Yeah. Got wind blown into a damn mangrove tree. All right, wait for him. You'll see him come up right there. Yeah. Don't let it hit the bottom though. Go, go. Oh.
Oh, nice, Rob. Fuck yeah, bro. Bring him on up.
Oh.
Is that blue?
Yeah. Easy. Easy. Easy.
Watch your head, Robbie. Going like that.
Go on.
You freelining? Stuck his ass and he came off. I know he didn't. Hell yeah, boy. One inch shot. 9 inches. No.
That's pretty sick.
Fuck. Yeah, big old blue, dude. need a new lure. He freaking destroyed it. Any of you guys want this bluefish? You do?
Catch any more, I want.
Yes, ma'am. Hold it up, James. Got the GoPro going. That's a nice blue, dude. I've seen them like fucking way bigger, dude. But that one's nice. I'm on. Yeah. Little mangrove. I'm trying to get it closer to this bridge without throwing it over the rail. You get another blue? Nah, dude, that's a freaking Spanish, dude. Bring him up. Bring him up. Hurry up. Bring him over here. Hell yes. Hell yeah, that's a keeper. I'm on something decent this time. There's the keeper mangrove, baby. Fuck yeah, boys. Hell yeah. I want him if you guys don't. If you want to eat him, dude. Hey, there's another keeper. That's a nice one. Hell yes. Nice fucking. That's a nice one, man. Good job. Wanna hold him up? Come over here so he doesn't flip. There's a mackerel. There's a mackerel. You got a leader on there?
Nice.
Don't lift him out. Keep him in the water. Come on. All right, I got him. I got him. Oh, no. Yeah, he's legal.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, they don't really have to be much size.
Yeah.
Oh, he knocked.
Is it a good meat, Len?
Oh yeah, real good meat. Real good meat.
Let's see the number up.
It knocked your weight off.
That's okay, man.
There it is.
I let him bite you? His jaw's pretty fucked up. He inhaled it.
Fuck, he's taking me in. No, he's not. I'm going to, motherfucker. Nice Spanish. That's number 2, baby. Bro, I foul hooked him. I hooked him in the gill. Watch how I'm throwing it.
Get it off that oyster.
Yeah, boy! Nah, another blue. Alright, bro. Alright, boy. Come here, the old lady wants you. Dude. Nice. Big blue. Oh, shit. Dude, these are big old jack, dude. Or big ass pumps. Big ass jack, dude. It is working. Robbie, dude. We are doubled up, bro. My fucking little 2000 reel is like, what the fuck?
I'm over here.
I'm right here, bro. Get over here.
Oh, come on. Damn it. Oh, it is a jack. I can see that. There's another one.
Put him in the box. I know. Throw another lure in right here. Throw another lure right here. He's trying to pop me off. Right around this jack, bro. That's a jack crevalle, bro.
Yeah, you're off. My damn food. The one hit came out of the damn water. Hell yeah, bro.
All right, I'm coming over.
That's a big head.
Come on, guys. I'm jumping down. Look at this other one right here with him, dude. Throw your lure right there, bro. Right here. He's swimming with him. Got him. What'd I tell you, boy? I got that on film. Yeah.
Hell yeah.